All attention is over the verdict that comes out of the court today in Aryan Khan's drug case. The star kid has been in the NCB custody since October 2, remanded to judicial custody from October 7 and finally sent to Arthur Road Jail October 8 onwards. Today, the court again rejected Shah Rukh Khan's and Gauri Khan's son's bail plea for the third time. Aryan Khan will be sent to jail again and his lawyer will probably move to High Court for his bail. But amid this, a new report states that Shah Rukh and Gauri have come up with a plan for their son once he gets released from the jail. According to the report on Bollywood Hungama, Shah Rukh and Gauri have planned to ground son Aryan Khan for 2 to 3 months once he is back home from the jail. The report cites a family friend who has revealed that while Shah Rukh and Gauri do not know what their son is guilty of, they want him home as soon as possible and put him under house arrest for a couple of months. Their son will be barred from attending any parties, get-together, late nights or time out with friends. Shah Rukh and Gauri have also decided to keep a strict tab on the company Aryan moves in and ensure that he stays away from anyone and everyone who can spell even the slightest of troubles for Aryan. It is only natural for Aryan's parents to get very protective about him after this incident, which has left them shaken to the core. They have been spending sleepless nights and praying day and night for their son to come home. There are the best of advocates and legal advisors who are on the case as Aryan Khan spends his time inside the Arthur Road jail. Let's wait and watch to see what turns this case takes now.